You may have seen earlier from Stamperia, we had the same collection of papers in 12 by 12, but now we have them in 8 by 8. So this is called Azulejos de Sueno, which means dream tiles in Spanish. There are 10 sheets. Again, it's 8 by 8, and the imagery is exactly the same as the 12 by 12. Just stunning, absolutely stunning. And there are also cutouts. As a matter of fact, there are 32 cutouts. So they're going to be beautiful on one side and a little bit plainer on the other side. Perfect for journaling or for your card making if you want to stamp a greeting. Works nicely. Here's a wonderful example of the Dream Tiles, which is the title of this, and the background. A lot of collage looks. The tiles, of course, take center stage, but the artwork, I think, is just stunning. Now, more of the cutouts. Many of these, or some of these, have the greeting in Spanish. The back side is an all-over pattern, so you can make use of anything that you want. More of these. And again, plainer on the back, or it's an all-over pattern. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful for tiles? And this also has an envelope in it, just like the first one. And what you'll want to do is think of this as the top of your envelope. So when you cut this out, you're going to score all of these lines around that center rectangle. So the way you think of it is to bring the sides in, then bring the bottom up and glue the edges down, and then bring the top down. So wings in, bottom up, top down. And you've got one image here, but on the other side, you have a second image. So you can choose which one works with what you're doing. In addition, you see the other artwork right here. And there's, again, plainer versions on the other side. More absolutely beautiful tiles. And there we go. There are 10 sheets altogether. And as I said, they are in 8 by 8. So that's a wonderful thing. And be sure to let us know how you like the 8 by 8. And these are now in stock, and we do have a limited supply. So if you love it, grab it.